So Shruvi and I, we were talking about love
Yes.
because हम दोनों ही बहुत ही प्रेमपूर्ण हैं, हम मानते हैं ये बात अपने बारे में. And how it takes courage to be a lover in today's time in life, and how we have also forgotten love in relationships or just to be a lover. Yeah. And how much courage it needs to really love.
Like we say, falling in love, क्योंकि it's a path of surrender. क्योंकि I don't even know if we can truly genuinely say we have fallen in love, because अक्ल का काम ही नहीं है प्रेम में पड़ना, and we want to be in control. We want to control the situation, the person, and everything around us.
We are so much used to be in control in life that when it comes also the moment to surrender, फट के हाथ में आती है. हाँ.
अब नहीं हो
हिंदी
रहा,
में,
भाई
हाँ.
छोड़ दो मुझे.
Really challenge us to the core to really walk the path of unknown and the mysticism of love,
Yes.
because love also may come with hurt.
That is attachment, because whenever we are loving from the space of attachment, there's bound to be fear, because I want to hold on to you, I want you to be a part of me,
Possession.
you're my possession. So
Yes.
the moment, the very fact that you might not belong to me scares the shit out of me.
पर एक बहुत ही सुंदर बात तुमने कही थी हमारी ग्रीन तारा ट्रेनिंग में कि when
You realize that you are your own beloved and the beloved. और तुम ही कृष्ण और तुम ही राधा हो, दोनों तुम्हारे अंदर ही है. तो फिर ये डर का भाव जाने लगता है. Now it's not attached to just one being. वो हर रूप, शेप और फॉर्म में जीवन में आने लगता है till it becomes the part of your being. मतलब प्रेम किसी से होता नहीं है, तुम प्रेम हो, मैं प्रेम हूँ, ये प्रेम है, और ये इतना बरस रहा है इनके बीइंग में कि मैं ढूंढ के पहुंच जा रही हूँ. I just want to be in this. That's the joy of love.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आहो.
आहो.
Yes. हरि बोल.